Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Altima key fob. First, make sure all your car doors are completely closed and unlocked. It's also a good idea to have all the key fobs you want to program ready and ensure they have fresh batteries. This preparation helps ensure a smooth and successful programming process for your vehicle's remote entry system. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's get your Altima into programming mode. Sit in the driver's seat and insert your key into the ignition. Without turning the key, quickly insert and remove it from the ignition cylinder about 6 to 10 times within a 10-second period. You'll know you've succeeded when your vehicle's hazard lights flash twice. This indicates your car is now ready to accept new key fob programming. With your car in programming mode, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Immediately, within about 5 seconds, press any button on the key fob you wish to program. The hazard lights will flash once, confirming that the fob has been successfully synced. If you have more key fobs, repeat this button press for each additional one within 5 seconds of the previous successful sync. To finalize the process, simply remove the key from the ignition. This action will automatically exit the programming mode. Now, it's time to test all your key fobs to ensure they work perfectly. Check the lock, unlock, and any other functions like the trunk release. Make sure every fob responds as expected. If you're looking for other great deals like the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links and more fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.